Experience the convenience of a top-rated classic egg cutter that makes food preparation effortless. This kitchen tool divides hard-boiled eggs into 6 equal segments with a single action, perfect for serving large quantities. Crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, it's built to last without rusting or bending, ensuring you can enjoy its benefit for years to come. The sleek German design features a high-polish finish and durable cutting wires. These multi-blade scissors feature 5 sharp stainless steel blades for efficiently cutting fresh herbs like mint, rosemary, and cilantro. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip while using them in the kitchen. They come with a cleaning brush and protective cover, making cleanup and storage easy, making them an ideal gift for cooking enthusiasts. This omelet maker quickly prepares 2 fluffy omelets in minutes, and it can also be used for frittatas, pizza pockets, and more. Its non-stick cooking surfaces make for easy cooking and cleanup, eliminating flipping mishaps. The compact design saves countertop space and adds a pop of color to your kitchen, making it a fun and functional addition. This smart storage system keeps dry ingredients like flour and sugar fresh in airtight containers. It automatically measures and dispenses the right amount straight into your bowl. You can choose between volume or weight measurements. The built-in scale helps with accuracy and portion control, and it remembers your last measurement for easier use next time. This infrared thermometer makes it easy to check the temperature of your grill, oven, or even car engine without making contact. With a quick laser read, you can get accurate temperatures in less than a second. It works for a range of surfaces and tasks, from cooking to automotive check, and the adjustable settings let you fine-tune the result. This stainless steel lemon squeezer is designed for those who want more juice with less effort. Its heavy-duty build ensures long-lasting durability, while the grooved bowl maximizes extraction. Perfect for lemons, limes, and more, it's simple to clean and even dishwasher-friendly. With a built-in strainer to catch seeds and pulp, it makes preparing fresh juice quick and easy. A must-have for any kitchen or cocktail setup, it saves time and space. If you're interested in adding both warmth and ambiance to a room, this heater can do that with its flame effect. It can provide heat without the smoke or mess, and you can even adjust it to different modes, depending on the setting you prefer. There's a handle for moving it around to different areas, which makes it easy to use wherever it's needed. The built-in safety features are there to prevent it from getting too hot or tipping over. If you want a TV that doubles as a piece of art, this one allows you to switch to art mode when not in use. This feature transforms your TV into a display for your own photos or artwork from an extensive art collection. The QLED 4K display offers a wide color range, ensuring vibrant images with deep blacks and bright whites. The anti-reflection matte display helps reduce glare, making it easy to watch at any time of day. If you want to save energy and keep your home comfortable, this smart thermostat learns your schedule and preferred temperatures. It adjusts automatically when you leave to avoid heating or cooling an empty house. You can control it from your phone, laptop, or tablet. With energy history, you can check your usage and find ways to save. It monitors your heating and cooling systems and alerts you if something isn't working well. This is a rice dispenser that makes it easy to store and access your grains. It can hold between 22 to 25 pounds of rice, and you can always see how much is left through the clear window. The lid helps keep pests away, and it's good for different types of grains and legumes. You can quickly measure out portions with just a press of a button, which makes cooking a little simpler. Plus, the bowl has drainage holes for easy rinsing. This is a citrus zester tool that's perfect for adding zest or decorative strips to your dishes. It features sharp holes for fine zesting and a channel knife for creating strips, making it handy for both cooking and garnishing. The handle is designed to be easy to grip, so it's comfortable to use without much effort. You can also use it for grating other ingredients like cheese or chocolate. Upgrade your lighting game with this sleek electric lighter, designed to withstand wind and splashes for reliable use in any weather. more economical and eco-friendly than traditional lighters. It replaces up to 300 of them and can be recharged to light up to 600 times on a single charge. Its slender design allows for elegant lighting of candles and is perfect for everyday use. This is a cheese grater that comes with 3 interchangeable blades, a coarse shredding blade, a fine shredding blade, and a slicing blade, making it efficient for grating a pound of cheese in just 30 seconds while keeping your fingers safe from sharp edges. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, it features a robust stainless steel blade that won't rust and doesn't require electricity. The grater's suction cup base ensures stability on marble or glass surfaces, providing a secure and slip-free operation. It's suitable for various cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella, and parmesan, as well as for grating vegetables and nuts like radishes, carrots, and almonds.